Hello, Sari Stars. How are things going on in your sareeing world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are hand woven with pure zari, and we have some very beautiful colors and designs. So let's get started with these saris. A lovely and elegant threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a fabulous combination of green and purplish blue. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very pretty shade of green. This one has stripes running along the length of the sari. The borders of the sari are in a shade of purplish blue. They have threadwork motifs of paisleys and there are peacock motifs enclosed within the paisleys. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs of paisleys, floral buttas and sipirekar. The sari has a purplish blouse fabric with threadwork buttas. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with classic beaded jewelry. A graceful and elegant threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in ivory. This one has threadwork Meenakari motifs on the borders. A classic and elegant threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very lovely shade of ivory. There are self stripes running along the length of the sari. The borders of the sari have lovely threadwork motifs in a pleasant combination of sea green and maroon. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs in a similar combination of sea green and maroonish pink. The blouse fabric of the sari is in sea green with all over patterns. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a garnet necklace. Stunning maroonish threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has lovely threadwork motifs on a black border. This is a very beautiful threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in a gorgeous shade of maroon. There are floral threadwork motifs on the body. The borders are in a combination of black with green threadwork motifs. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs in a similar combination as the borders. The sari has a black blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a contrast green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with simple gold jewelry or beaded jewelry. A classic and elegant Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram in a half and half style. This is a very classic and elegant Kanjivaram silk sari. It is a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram in a half and half style. The upper half of the sari is in a lovely shade of beigeish cream and the lower half of the sari is in a Nagapazha color. There are Korvai temples in between the two halves. The sari doesn't have borders, but there are zari stripes along the edges and a short colored selvage. The pallu of the sari is in a pretty shade of pink with sipareke in zari. The sari has a pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with ruby temple jewelry. A threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in a very auspicious shade of yellow. This one is perfect to wear for your friend's haldi. A sunny yellow Kanjivaram silk sari which is perfect for occasions like haldi. The body of the sari has diamond-shaped threadwork motifs in red. The borders of the sari also have threadwork motifs in red. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs in the same pinkish red as the body and the borders. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast pinkish red blouse. You can accessorize this sari with temple jewelry or beaded jewelry. Our collection of exquisite Kanjivaram silk saris are curated with great attention to detail. You can shop for these fabulous Kanjivarams from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.